The research vessel, a titan of science, sliced through the waves, its mission to map the unexplored Mariana Trench. Captain Eva Lopez, a woman of the sea, scanned the sonar readings. Something unusual pulsed through the static, a rhythmic pattern, like a heartbeat. It was not natural, it was not mechanical, it was something else entirely. Days blurred into weeks as they followed the mysterious signal. The ocean, normally a cacophony of sound, grew eerily quiet. Only the rhythmic pulse echoed through the depths. The crew, a mixture of seasoned scientists and eager technicians, buzzed with anticipation. What awaited them in the abyss? Captain Lopez gave the order. 2 veteran divers, Dr. Lewis and Dr. Chen, equipped with cutting-edge submersibles, prepared for the first manned descent. Their mission, to investigate the source of the signal. The eyes of the world, or at least the scientific community, watched as the submersibles plunged into the blue. The submersibles and descended into a world of perpetual twilight. Down they went, past familiar creatures of the deep, past the reach of sunlight. The pressure built, a crushing weight against the reinforced hulls. Still, the rhythmic signal pulsed, guiding them deeper into the abyss. Dr. Lewis, his eyes glued to the sonar display, noted the signal growing stronger. He glanced at Dr. Chen through the reinforced viewport. They were both professionals, but the unknown held a primal fear. The signal led them to a chasm, a scar on the ocean floor, hidden from all prior explorations. The chasm yawned before them, a black void in the ocean floor. The signal emanated from within. Dr. Lewis flicked on the powerful floodlights of the beam cut through the darkness, momentarily blinding. Then they saw it. A sight that would forever change humanity's understanding of life itself. A city. Not of concrete and steel, but of living coral. Structures vast and intricate rose from the chasm floor. They pulsed with a bioluminescent glow, bathing the city in an otherworldly light. Fish, unlike any seen before, darted in and out of this coral architecture. Dr. Chen, her voice tight with awe, spoke through the comms. It's breathtaking. A living city, Lewis. A living city! They maneuvered their submersibles closer, careful not to damage the delicate coral structures. This was not a random cluster of marine life, this was a civilization. As they ventured further into the city, they noticed patterns within the bioluminescence, a shifting, flowing dance of light. The rhythmic pulses they had followed were not just a beacon, they were language, a form of communication between these extraordinary lifeforms. Dr. Lewis, a biologist by training, was mesmerized. He began recording the patterns of light, the pulses, the varying frequencies. This was not random, it was complex, nuanced, a language as sophisticated as any human tongue. He began to realize that the coral themselves, in conjunction with a type of bioluminescent algae, were communicating. The algae living within the coral responded to minute electrical impulses generated by the coral. These impulses, in turn, created the light show, a silent symphony of communication. It was a symbiotic relationship, a partnership that had birthed intelligence in the most unexpected of places. Dr. Chen, a linguist by trade, began to see patterns, repetitions, even grammatical structures. It was painstaking work, but slowly, they were starting to decipher the language of the reef. This discovery was not just about a new species, it was about encountering a new form of intelligence, one that had evolved in the silence of the deep.